We're not showing all of our Nerf guns. My Nerf guns, not for him. Not for, come here.
Okay.
Not for,
Okay.
not for him, because he doesn't believe. Okay, we're gonna show 4. I'm sorry guys, but next time we're gonna show all of my Nerf guns. But some are not. Ready?
Yeah.
So first gun, it's actually not a Nerf gun.
It's an airsoft.
It's not the airsoft. It's just like a gun. And if you know where's the like this, Benedict broke it and threw it in my eye. That was all. I'm not joking. It's not.
I'm sorry that I just hit it in his eye.
How this gun works?
It's just
You
just
see
put this that
you
one.
see this one, and then pull it all the way back, and then
Forward.
press trigger.
Yeah.
There.
But you can't just use this one to use that
you
one.
and him, and you cannot use like. And Benedict is a crazy dude. He's a crazy. He thinks he can do like this. He's a crazy dude. Okay.
I'm not crazy, dude.
That's what are you doing? So next mod.
Is the
Nerf
strong
strong
arm.
arm. The favorite Nerf gun.
Yeah, but it's
How
not.
to-
It's not working.
How to reload this? Press this right here. Press it and then put
30.
6 bullets inside. Put 6, and then I'm doing like this.
Yeah, but
And then-
I put this one forward. But
I
that
know you can do like this, but I cannot. It's not how you talk all the way back. You can only you press the orange trigger
one.
and then push back.
So
Yeah.
that's
And there's one tactical ray at the top, and 2 sling mounts. One here and right here. So that's it. Now for the Mega Magnus.
is the giant.
It's a big mega gun.
It doesn't have tactical rail.
It have a tactical rail down here,
Yeah, I know.
and then how this can work? You pull this back
And I put the mega
and
dart.
put 3 mega darts. Put it in. When you put it in, no, go here. Hello, why are you taking it? And then you press this gray trigger. In another counter, it's not color gray, it's color
Yeah.
orange. And then you press it, then shoot it.
There's this double strike, but this is from someone's friend name, like Alex.
Okay.
Next
This-
is the Nerf Sharpfire.
This is like I like this gun. How this thing works. You can do a lot of style. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. And like this.
Even that's a square, and
like
like
this.
that. Even the double fire do.
And we have a special.
It's so crazy gun.
It's not even. You didn't saw it. It's a double fire. You do like that first, and then like a rampage, and then ready to shoot. I know it's not gonna shoot bullets, so we don't really fake. Okay.
That's the double fire gun, but it's not getting bullets.
Okay. So
That's all our Nerf guns.
solo Nerf guns, but we're gonna show a little bit some. So guys, tell me guys, what is your favorite gun that we did? This
Or this.
So I pick guys is of course the Mega Magnus.
Yeah, I just pick this, the one I just threw this one. I can be like this one.
And guys, do you want to do a Nerf 4? Okay. We'll do, but only not like it's only like.
I guess it's a Nerf.
Okay, ready? So sexy. Can I use this one?
Yeah.
Later, if we do the Ford of ammo, we're gonna take those. So sexy, beautiful.
I'm gonna go check two guns.
No, put this on. Ready?
Wow.
Hide your guns. Hide your guns. Okay, guys. No, not this. Not this one. Sorry, stay in the table. Hey.
Yeah?
You want to do the 4?
Yep.
Let's go! No, not that first.
Okay.
I'm stick for sure the black one.
Okay. Oh.
Ready? Put it back. Hey, you want to do the 4?
Yep.
They cannot see you. You keep covering yourself. Why are you so tall? They cannot see your head.
Okay, so she can do.
Hey, you want to do the 4?
Yeah.
Let's go!
That's why I still let you love.
No! Not real!
I know you're there.
I'm sorry I'm cheating. I'm not cheating anymore. I'm not joking. Why are you not showing your head?
Let's be
Naruto! It's the double fire. Not real, I told. Hey, you're dead. I need to get up this. And the time we take our guns. Oh, shit, double. And then you're looking at there. You want to then
Come on.
So now let's do teammates. Peace. Go. Teammates.
Yes.
Windows up. When I bet you in the summer. Ready? Start thinking.
Hindi masugo.
No, no.
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, go there.
Oh.
Ready, guys? Why are you just throwing it? Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Do fake. Fake. It doesn't. It's only like.
I want to make it straight. Like.
Okay, we're like hello.
This is the hard thing.
Not real.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh no. We're hello. Amen. You take that. Let's go. Take your card, go.
Okay. Sorry, what's your thing?
It's hellfire! Hellfire! How many Nerf guns do I have? See, when I told you I must buy more Nerf guns. Look how many Nerf guns I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to have like 7, di ba?
Come on.
I need 7, you know why? I need side strike. I need fire strike. Do you know what else I need? Do you know what I need? Fire strike, double strike, and hammer shot. That's what I need. Then we... Oh! Why are you even dying?
Eat the burrito.
Look at she's coming up again. Oh, she's there.
I'm not crazy, guys. I'm using the crazy gun.
Guys! Wait, guys, Isn't you know this? Benedict, do you know what he called this gun? He made this squeezy gun. So we have a new Nerf gun named Squeezy Gun. Okay, let's go.
No, crazy gun. This called crazy gun. Ah!
Somebody.
Ooh. Come on, this is survival. I have to check something.
You're dead.
No, we're dead. Internet what? No, I'm gonna kill them with the robot. I have a robot. I need cell phone to kill it.
And those until let's put back the Matsunugans.
No, I'm so not kill.
And those ooh. Lego.
Cable.
Not cable. Yo, Benedict. It's like little Nerf guns na lang kaya. We're gonna put that inside, Benedict. Yeah, please.
Oh, Matsunugan.
Okay. It's not even hellfire. It's only do like this. Benedict. The thing we're gonna do is we're gonna you use this. Oh, just little Nerf guns. Not a lot. Okay, enough. Bye.